My name is Rebecca Obregon. I'm a senior at Grant County High School. My parents support me with the job that I have. I manage my time. I make sure that work doesn't inflict with my schoolwork. I prioritize my responsibility. I say no when I can't come in, and I say no when I know I have my responsibility to be at work or finish a project at school. Work has helped me in school by showing me responsibility, how to stay organized and deal with problems that I can face in the real world. By working different jobs in high school, I get the benefit of understanding how different businesses work and what I would like to pursue and how I'd like to pursue it. So, if I have a job in a clothing store, I know if I'd want to pursue something in fashion. If I have something in the fast food industry, I understand if I like that fast, upbeat work ethic. For my future plans, I plan on going to EKU for 4 years and studying criminal justice and hopefully pursuing a career in criminal profiling or psychology. In my first hour, I peer tutor for Mr. Green. I do things such as grade papers for him, help students, and make copies if necessary. For my second hour, I have Foundations of Visual Art with Ms. Fig. We just study the different styles of art and we execute them in our artwork. For my third hour, I have Mr. Butcher for yearbook, and we design and edit the yearbook ourselves. For my fourth hour, we have JRTC. We learn things such as self-discipline, leadership, loyalty, and patriotism. JRTC has helped me by showing me self-discipline, responsibility, and respect. I know now that I have the responsibility to take on any challenges that I have in the future, including having a part-time job and being a full-time student and going to college and understanding that it's not going to be easy, but I have this self-discipline. And for my fifth hour, I finished the day off with Mr. Bowman teaching me in geometry.